Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "She impersonated a cop to hide everything." Okay, let's get into it, man. She tried to hide everything, you know, impersonate a cop. Let's see how this go. Probably not well.
Man, just stand right here, okay?
Okay, I just want you to know I am a cop from Virginia.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so come back here and just relax, okay? If you're a cop, then you know you don't want people walking up behind you.
Yes, I realize that, but y'all also just walked up on us.
We did a traffic stop on you.
I was sleeping. Excuse me, I did not consent to a
put your hands behind you. Stop.
I'm not under arrest.
Stop.
I didn't do anything.
You're being detained.
No, Dad!
Quit.
Stop.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Resisting.
Hey, I must say, this is the first time I'm hearing somebody call for dad. Typically it's call my mom. Mama, call my mom. Now it's dad. Okay, all right.
Relax.
The father's getting some love out here. Okay, I see it.
Stop resisting.
Relax.
Yeah, we got it. She just all right.
Relax. You're doing the most. Relax.
No, I did not consent to a search. Get off me! I was just fucking sleeping, and you rolled up on my window.
So
I'm
you're
a certified officer.
No, I know it's you.
stop.
There's a gun in here. So you need to get yourself together.
You need to stop talking to me.
I'm about to put you on the ground if you don't stop.
I can't even put my fucking feet on the ground.
Stop.
You don't need to. You need to stop moving. Hey, just chill. You disgrace. How you acting? Whose gun is this?
That's mine.
Okay.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
In Virginia, yes. Dad, in Florida, they can just search on their own.
We can search if we have probable cause. If you
Probable
work on the
cause
street,
for
you would know
what?
that instead of sitting there babysitting people in the jail. Hey, chill out.
And you won't stop talking shit to me.
Hey, shit you talk.
Okay.
Your actions are disgusting.
Can you
My
call this out?
actions are disgusting?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I should be. Okay. You need to fucking let me go. I don't even understand how I'm being
You're going to jail.
going to sleep.
You're going to jail.
How
Is
am
what
I
you're
going to
for
jail?
resisting an officer without violence. That's what.
Without violence?
Yes.
You got violent with me.
I didn't get violent to you until I
I was
tried to handcuff
standing
you.
right here at the end of the fucking car.
Chill, please. Yeah, the inmates hanging out in your person. You got little narcotic baggies all over the place.
Excuse me?
You heard me? I know your ears work.
Another baggie.
This way.
Dad, get my phone off the...
I'll get it, baby. I'll get it.
Honestly, I don't even like what that cop just said, bro. Like, if you run it back real quick, he said, you know, something, you would know that if you wasn't babysitting people in the jails. Like, come on, bro. Like, I know a lot of cops out there that they wouldn't want to be correction officers. Like, cops, y'all, they're both hard in different ways. You know what I'm saying? They're both, you know, difficult jobs with, you know, in your own right. But cops, y'all out in the street, y'all got guns, y'all got tasers, y'all got, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot. Y'all got your phone on you. Like, y'all chill, like, you know what I'm saying? If there's not a call going on, what? Y'all sitting in the parking lot just, you know what I mean? Just, you know, going over to Dunkin' Donuts, get a free cup of coffee or something. Like, y'all, come on. Inside the prison is a completely different beast. Yeah, is there downtime and stuff like that? Yeah, sure. But anything could pop off at any moment and you are instantly outnumbered. Instant. It's instant. They could call as much backup as they want. If the inmates want to take over that jail or that prison or whatever, they can at any moment. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that doesn't stop them from doing that is the hope of them getting back to freedom. So that cop shouldn't downplay COs. Just like COs shouldn't downplay cops. Who the hell want to be pulling over somebody at a traffic stop? You don't know what you're rolling up to, but y'all got a lot more stuff that to protect y'all than COs do. COs, you got a baton, and that's about it. You know what I'm saying? And some spray. You know what I mean? Like, you're not, if something pop off, you're not instantly outnumbered in the street. You know what I'm saying? You pulling up maybe on one person, maybe on two. You know what I'm saying? It's an individual basis. But in the prison, that dorm or that yard or that anything pop off, you instantly, boop. Like, come on.
She hasn't been searched because I don't have a female.
I don't have anything on me. I just have my phone.
Bruckner's, I think she's got 10-8. She needs to go in the car.
Okay.
Fucking ridiculous. How's that gun sitting?
Huh?
How's that gun sitting?
In here, making furtive movements, it appeared to me, towards the glove box.
Let's run her and see if she's got a concealed carry permit.
It's out of Virginia. I don't see a concealed carry, but I got a...
Positive presence for cocaine in that bag. Where was that little bag you found?
underneath her seat.
Where she was sitting?
Yeah,
How was
so
that gun?
She needs to be searched good.
Yeah.
She was making furtive movements when we were walking up to the side as they were slow rolling, and it was in the center console, but it's loaded. I think that it looked like she was closing the glove box as I was running
I'd
up.
say so. She was heavily moving in the front.
She's not an officer. She's not a police officer. She's an armed guard, according to this.
Yeah, well, he says that she works for the Danville Police Department. So if that's not true,
She works for another.
The bag had presence of cocaine in it.
okay.
What bag?
There was a baggie where she was sitting.
Hell no.
said Danville.
Ain't no way, bro. I promise you.
I'm just letting you know.
Danville Police
I don't know what y'all do.
And she,
What's her name?
That she does a security. She's a sergeant for some security company.
She does two things.
Yeah. So you,
Where's her credentials for her?
that I don't know.
Where's her badge? Where's her?
He's gonna call and verify the dispatch.
So you saying we had cocaine in our car?
There's a bag.
Little baggie.
There's no way.
There's a bag. That's the reason we searched. I saw that in plain view.
And I'll show you right here, man. There's a little baggie we had. There was a bunch of little white powder in it.
And it came out of my car.
It was sitting right where she was sitting, right?
Underneath her feet.
See the blue and the pink?
Mm-hmm.
So that shows for a positive present cocaine. I tested
Hell no.
the substance that was
Can
in
you open
there.
your mouth for me real quick? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what y'all do, right?
Did we search his backpack?
I did, yeah. That's the kid's backpack, it looks like. I haven't gotten the trunk yet.
I think I'm gonna charge her with impersonating a police officer.
Yeah, because I'm not seeing anything with her being a police officer.
He's saying he's a felon. So,
He's a felon?
yeah, so they'll be felon in possession of a firearm.
Okay. And she was making furtive movements with her anyway. And she don't have a credential of her working anywhere. She don't have her concealed carry permit
She ain't no police
out of Virginia
officer.
that's showing in her wallet. She's got an armed security guard card. I don't know how to verify that.
What was going on was we're trying to detain you. You decided not being cooperative physically, and we had to basically work to get you in cuffs. What was going on with that?
I was sleeping. Like when
You were sleeping as he was like ripping around the corner.
right, I
driving
was
fast.
sleeping.
The whole,
So
okay.
like I fell asleep. I was tired, and that's why we were coming back here to my dad's house. And when we pulled in, because I felt him turn and pull in, and he just looked up and said, "Are you serious?" And I looked back, and that's when I saw the blue lights.
Well, we saw you kind of leaning all the way forward. Were you sleeping with your head on the dash?
On the dash, no. I think I
Okay,
had
because
my head
that's
back
where
like this.
that's where
I
we
looked like
that's
this.
where we seen you way up
Oh, I
there
don't
and
know.
stuff like that. So maybe at first I can agree with you. You might have been dazed if you're going on the story of you were sleeping the whole time. But when we had you out, obviously we're all wearing uniforms, body cameras, flashing lights, all sorts of stuff. When we're trying to detain you, what was with you just not cooperating with that?
I'm sorry. Well, first of all, for my daughter, when I said
daughter.
she's a minor, and I wanted her to go inside.
We allowed that.
I know.
we
but
allow
at
that.
first, I
But
know.
as far as putting the handcuffs on,
I'm sorry. It's just I was grabbed a
well,
hold
you say
of.
sorry, right?
Right, I was grabbed a hold of, and I just reacted.
We're detaining you. We don't know what's going on in the vehicle. You guys are. I mean, he is obviously the one that was driving, but driving all over the road, speeding. Like we don't know what's going on. He's driving like what we would in an emergency. We don't know if there's an emergency. We don't know if someone just got shot. We don't know if he's drunk. We don't know.
Okay.
So, did you explain to her what was found in the car?
I told about the bag. The bag with the test for cocaine.
So the reason why we had you step out is because immediately after all these furtive movements and everything, I looked down and near your right ankle is this bag that has a white powdery residue on it. Obviously,
Really?
yeah, yes, okay.
We just purchased the car. You can see the tags. They're brand new.
Okay,
Okay.
that's where we're at. I tell you, step out of the car. Your duty is to comply. If you don't agree with it, you know. If you have prior law enforcement, you know you have to comply, and you can argue on the side of the road there. You can argue in court about it.
Getting into what mindset?
Just, Back to when I worked patrol, I do understand, and I apologize.
So you told us that you were an officer?
I'm a certified officer, yes.
Okay.
I'm still certified.
So you said that you were a certified officer?
Yes.
Police officer?
Yes.
Working for the Danville Police Department?
Yes, where I did work.
What is a certified officer? Like what certified? I've never heard I've never heard that. Like when people present themselves as, phone booming, you hear me? But anyway, I never heard somebody present themselves as, I'm a certified officer. Like, I got friends that's cops. Like, honest, like, I got friends that's cops. I got friends that's COs. I got friends in the military. Like, I never heard somebody say certified like that. Like, I never.
Yes.
Okay. We were told that you were currently working there, okay? There's a difference between being certified and being employed and certified, okay?
Okay, right.
So all these, LEOSA and everything that goes with being a certified police officer, such as carrying concealed, you have to be currently employed.
All 50
That's
states.
all 50 states.
I do have a Virginia concealed weapons.
Okay, where is it?
I thought it was in my wallet.
It's not in your wallet.
It's not at all in my wallet?
It's not in your wallet. Do you have one?
It is. Yes,
Okay.
it's current.
Oh, I guess I'll do this.
You're a gate guard?
I'm going to take these. Should I take these evidence?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what, Danville said that she doesn't work there? Yeah. Yeah, first-name law enforcement officer. Go to jail.
So,
You got it.
This suspect was charged with resisting, possession of drug paraphernalia, and falsely impersonating a law enforcement officer. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.